Hey y'all, welcome back. So today's video is about episode 5 of Hawkeye. Be a short intro, quick. Alright, so last episode, we left off with Elena, Maya, and Hawkeye and Kate, Clinton Kate. Whatever. You know what I'm saying. They're in a big rooftop fight, and was that the end? Yeah, that was the end. Yeah. So they're in a big rooftop fight, and then there was this thing about the Rolex, and we saw that Jack was involved with the tracksuit mafia, and Hawkeye talked to Rocky, that's his name? Whatever, Zaki, well, whatever his name is, Maya's second in command, and then Hawkeye is still late for his family. I'm still not met up with his family yet, and we got some setup for something that could be interesting, and so we're gonna go into that. 2018. Okay. What's going on here? Is that Yelena? Is this before she got
Hi there, Anna.
this before Natasha cured her? Oh, should I use the
Do it.
Yeah, I saw the fake.
What? Sonia, hold her hands! Hurry, hit her with the antidote!
I could have done better. Oh, okay, this is after she got cured by Natasha. Cool. Okay.
Look what you did to my rug. $20,000 down the drain. Thanks.
I was a little bit off with
I don't think she was brainwashed.
What, you thought I was some rich pervert's prisoner?
a little off with the timeline and stuff. But.
Well, yeah, kind of.
Oh, Elena got snapped, lipped, or that's what they call it. Same thing. And that's what it was like for her. Okay, so it was just like instant.
What's happening?
Okay, I get
What's
it.
going on?
Who are you?
Who are you? I need to find Natasha.
Oh boy.
Can you help me find Natasha? I need to tell her I'm okay.
She's not gonna like what happened to Natasha. Well. She's gonna find out in like a little bit that Natasha's gone. But like at this point of the snap, the world didn't know Natasha's gone yet, so she's gonna find out at the same time as everybody else. Basically. I would think, yeah.
I bet you regret buying me that first bow, don't you?
Sometimes.
Kidding. You're so cute with that tiny bow. God, I thought I could do anything.
They mentioned that in the first episode of the bow. As a callback.
All you can do is keep moving forward.
Keep moving forward, like Aaron.
Even on days when honestly it all just kind of
But
feels
don't
like shit.
move forward like Aaron. What he's doing. I remember the last few I haven't read the manga, so I don't know what's gonna end up happening for that with Eren.
Company that he has called Sloan Limited. Maybe there's a reason for all of it. I don't know, but you just have to please
her mother
just
know?
promise me that you'll look into it. That's all I ask.
Okay. Okay, I will.
She doesn't look too concerned.
You go get your thing.
She might be involved too. Wait, so the 5 people couldn't wait, the lights are on. She's not been here. Why are the lights on?
Kate Bishop. Hi. I made macaroni if you want some.
I'm sorry, what?
Well, I was starving and you took forever, so I wanted to make food.
That's fine. I would do, I take it. I would do the same.
You have one fork?
I'm one person.
That's
Yeah,
so
that is
weird.
weird.
Kate,
Oh man.
this is not cutlery.
One
This
fork,
is not
please. Come on.
cutlery.
I'm
Bro.
not gonna just sit and have dinner with you.
Stop being so defensive. Okay?
Yes,
You're
okay,
so
come
hostile.
on. Chill
I'm
out,
not going
man.
to
Chill
hurt
out.
you. I promise.
She promised?
I don't have any weapons on me.
She has a weapon on her.
Okay, I take that back. I don't have any weapons currently in my hands.
Okay, I believe that.
That's a lie
Oh,
also.
well, that's all I
Come on,
okay.
take a fork, eat. What? This is crazy. I'm going to have dinner with the enemy. And she made some really good smelling macaroni. But in all honesty, if I wanted to kill you, I
You would have
Yeah,
already.
exactly.
right as you open the door.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't have even had time to shut it.
No.
I'd have been dead.
No.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That's very true. She'd have been dead already.
Hot sauce on it? Oh, I love hot sauce. Yes.
Okay, in her Hillary Clinton bag. I see you with the hot sauce.
It's my first time in New York.
Hey, congrats. Love it for you.
But it's a business trip, so time is limited. But I do
That
want to
sucks.
see some things. I want to see the Empire State Building, the new and improved Statue of Liberty, and the Rockefeller Center.
Very funny.
No,
What, it's not good?
she's not joking.
Oh no, they're great.
She's been serious, kid.
Yeah, you've got to see the tree.
Exactly. See? I love American Christmases. The
Not quite sure those are the right fit for the bloodthirsty vigilante type.
The bad bloodthirsty vigilante. Sometimes you're funny, Kate Bishop.
Do you keep saying my whole name just to point out that you know it?
Yes. I know a lot about you.
Are you in New York to talk to Clint? Is that why you're here?
No, she's here to kill
no,
him.
no. I'm here to kill him.
That's what she said.
Wow, I did not see that coming. Like, thank God I didn't kill you up there.
You kill me again. Oh, Kate Bishop, you are so funny. That's hilarious. That one is the funniest.
When you face the kind of threats that he has, there's going to be collateral damage.
My sister is gone because of him.
No, that
Yeah,
is
it
not.
is true.
She's gone.
But is it kind of true? Yeah, it is kind of true. Yeah, basically.
Is she collateral damage?
No, look, there is
She
no
saved
way
him
that
instead
is
of her.
true. He would not.
He did let it happen. Elena's right. He did let it happen.
However he convinced you about who he is, or how many people think or call him a hero, truth is it doesn't matter. We are defined by what we do, not by nice
That
words.
is true. What we do counts. And that's what
Like
we
it or
say.
not, there is no escaping this.
Elena is on point.
He dropped off the new outfits for you and Kate. You want to see him?
You know I do. Just not right now.
And that was quick work by Missy. I would say it was like what? A few hours. Good work if you can get it. The Avengers first assemble.
Natasha, I really need to talk to you right now. You were the bravest of us all, weren't you? Loyal, stubborn. You always had to win, didn't you?
Yeah.
And for a stupid orange rock.
She won.
I've replayed that a million times in my head, hoping for a different outcome. But I do my best every day to earn what you gave me. This one is Sam. This one is Sam, miss you. And I'm so sorry for what I'm about to do.
What is he about to do? I like that the camera was out of focus because she was like rocking, and now it's in focus because she's now alert. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Trust the Bro Moving Company. Yeah, great cover, guys. Great cover. Great company name for this cover. Trust the Bro Moving.
And you didn't call looking for permission, and you don't need it from me, so I trust your judgment.
Do what you gotta do.
Do what you have to do.
She said it.
Okay.
And know that I'll always understand more than anybody else ever could.
I love you.
I love you. Go end this.
That was a nice call. You can tell that they have a great rapport, that they are comfortable with each other with what she said there.
Okay. Let's talk.
Let's talk. No, fam. Trying to sneak up on me. Try to get in me when I said come alone. No. Taking you out, fam. Taking you out. What, shouldn't they hear the gunshot? Alright, she is hearing impaired. Forgot that. Oh, he's dressed as Ronin. Oh, nice move. This is a nice fight. The choreography.
Yes. Your boss.
Oh. Someone.
Your boss wanted your father dead. Now he's using you. So this rescue mission, you got an escape plan?
Hey, are you Tabitha?
Yes.
The Uber. Decent escape plan. It worked.
I don't know. I
Hmm.
call.
Didn't get the call. Sure. Sure, fam.
Wasn't it?
He was an informant. He tipped. Running off.
For sure.
He's gonna be suspicious now.
All right.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, why didn't you come out on the other side but then traffic? So, yeah, I guess coming out on the same side is fine.
What is it? Kate?
Look at this. Who's that with my mom?
Well, that's the guy I've been worried about this whole time.
Mm. Okay, okay. Interesting. In that episode, we finally saw at the end that the big boss is Kingpin Wilson Fisk, and he's also played by Vincent D'Onofrio. See, I kind of saw that little rumor, well, not rumor, but I think I kind of saw it. I was trying to avoid spoilers for this. You know, I think I avoided a lot of spoilers for this show. But be careful on social media. But yeah, I think I did see something about Kingpin at the time the show was airing. So yeah, it's not surprising that he was the big boss. I kind of had that in but I didn't want to say it in case that was wrong. You know, maybe. But yeah, okay. But before that, let's at the start. So at the start we saw what was it? We saw Kate and Yelena, but before that we saw that Yelena got snapped. She was in the blip, and then she came back, and she got some advice from a former widow about what to do, to get on the come up, contract and all that stuff, And we fast forward to Kate and her mom having the convo, and then her mom, Kate told her mom about the Jack stuff. Now, and I saw mom's reaction. Her mom's reaction was kind of like she knew all this before. And then, what happened at the end, it kind of makes sense. But before I got to the end, right? So after that, we see bada bing bada boom. Right, Kate and Yelena, they have a convo. Yelena talks about Kate, and then that this is a nice little chat. They made their points. Boom, bang, boom. Yelena said that she's here to end Clint, and after that we see Clint talk to his wife. He says, "Yo, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna end. Things gonna ratchet up." And we see. Let me skip something, but yeah. Then we see like Clint as Ronin. He fights Maya, and Clint informs Maya that he got a tip, but that's why he knew that Maya's father was gonna be there. What? And then it was like the Kazi, or second in command. He wasn't at the meeting that night. That's why he was taken out too. And so, 2 and 2. He's definitely an informant. Yeah, he's the one who tipped off Ronin. And then, from what got there, I think that the big boss, he might have wanted Maya's father taken out. Maybe Maya's father was double crossing him somehow. And he said, "Yo, Lieutenant, tip off Ronin, tip off somebody, take out the guy. Problem solved." And then, Maya confronts Kazi, and he kind of feels shady with his answers, and So she's suspecting him, and he's kind of worried now too, like, what's going on. And we saw what we saw. Oh yeah, right. Kate rescued Clint from the whole Ronin Mafia fight, Jackson Mafia fight, and then after that we saw Elena tracking Eleanor, Kate's mother, and we see at the end Kate's mother with Wilson Fisk, Vincent D'Onofrio, who was Kingpin Wilson Fisk in the Netflix version of the MCU. And so, that tracks with them saying that there's the news that there's gonna be a Daredevil MCU stuff. So hopefully they just like retcon what they did, where they said these shows were no longer in the MCU. They'll bring them back into the MCU. Cause in No Way Home we saw Matt Murdock played by the same actor. Now we see Wilson Fisk played by the same actor, and then I saw some news recently about Kristen Ritter playing Jessica Jones again. So let's hopefully they just don't bother let's retcon that the timelines and whatever was to make it work or whatever, Just do not excommunicate the stuff like they did, like what Disney did with the Star Wars, or the like extended universe and all that. They said this isn't canon anymore. Just recanonize the stuff. Don't bother with the whole long argument and things. Just put it back in the MCU. Okay. What else now? Yeah. So they set up for an engaging final episode. There's gonna be one episode left. Hold on. Yeah, it's gonna be one episode left. That's gonna be an hour, 62 minutes. Yeah, cause it makes sense because they have a lot to wrap up in it. Cause they put together that as they said, they introduced the big boss. Yelena's involved, Jackson Mafia, all these loose shreds together to combine. And so that's gonna be, I hope it's a good final episode. I hope they bring it together well at the end. There's a lot. Let's see where they put on the extra 50 minutes or so on it. Hopefully it works well. Hopefully it ends well. Hopefully they wrap it up nicely to make a satisfying series conclusion. I don't know if this is going to be a one and done season, but hopefully they wrap it up well.